Facebook Stars is a feature that allows users to support their favorite creators on the platform by making monetary contributions to them. It's a way for users to show their appreciation for the content they enjoy, and it also provides a way for creators to earn money from their content. Users can purchase stars in packs and then send them as tips to creators during live streams or as a one-time contribution. Creators can then redeem the stars for cash. The amount of money a creator can receive from stars depends on the country they are located in and the exchange rate. Facebook Stars is available for creators on Facebook, Instagram, and Facebook Gaming. To be eligible, creators must meet certain requirements, such as having a Facebook account in good standing and adhering to the company's community guidelines, having a certain number of followers, and engagement on their content. Creators can also use Facebook's Creator Studio to track and manage their star settings, check their earnings, and access star insights.